Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. For our group assignment for SRT666 is the measuring the anxiety level during pre-competition between genders among UiTM Arab police athlete. So for our research objective, for the first one is to investigate the anxiety level during pre-competition among UiTM Arab police athletes. And for the second research objective, is to compare the anxiety level during pre-competition between genders among UiTM Arab police athletes. For the research hypothesis, we have two null and two alternative hypotheses. For the first null hypothesis, there is no significant difference in the anxiety level during pre-competition among UiTM Arab police athletes. And the first alternative hypothesis, there is a significant difference in the anxiety level during pre-competition among UiTM Arab police athletes. Second null hypothesis, there is no significant difference in the anxiety level during pre-competition between genders among UiTM Arab police athletes. And second alternative hypothesis, there is a significant difference in the anxiety level during pre-competition between genders among UiTM Arab police athletes.
Transfer data from the Excel to the SPSS. Firstly, transfer the data that have been collected from Excel to SPSS. Open SPSS, click File and then Import Data, and click Excel and click the Excel that have been filled with the data. Make sure there are no missing data from the Excel. At the gender section, put value 1 for male and 2 for female. At the faculty section, put value 1 for FSR, 2 for FPA, 3 for FPP, 4 for FSG, 5 for FP, 6 for KAB, and 7 for KPPIM. At the program section, put value 1 for diploma and 2 for degree, and change the measure to ordinal. At the level of participation, put value 1 for university, 2 for state, and 3 for national, and also change the measure to ordinal. For the question part, put value 1 for not at all, 2 for somewhat, 3 for moderately so, and 4 for very much so. And after that, copy the value from the question 1 part and paste it to all the questions part. Make sure all the questions part are measured as ordinal. Now we move on to recode and compute variable. Click transform and recode into different variables. Recode question 14 as to sum up the total score of CSAI2, and we have to reverse the question 14. After done recoding, assign the value and measure to, and change the measure to ordinal.
First, click transform and click at the compute variable. Then, at the target variable, name it to total score CSA. In the numeric expression, construct an equation of Q1 plus Q4 plus Q7 plus Q10 plus Q13 plus Q16 plus Q19 plus Q22 plus Q25. Click OK. The new data of total score CSA will be generated. Click transform and then click compute variable. At the target variable, name it to total score SSA. Construct an equation of Q2 plus Q5 plus Q8 plus Q11 plus Q14 reverse plus Q17 plus Q20 plus Q23 and plus Q26. Click OK. The data of total score SSA will be executed at the output. Click transform and click at the compute variable. At the target variable, name it to total score SCA. Construct an equation of Q3 plus Q6 plus Q9 plus Q12 plus Q15 plus Q18 plus Q21 plus Q24 and plus Q27. Then click OK. The data of total score SSA will be executed at the output. Next, descriptive statistic of demographic data. Click Analyze, click Descriptive Statistic and click Frequencies. Transfer age, gender, faculty, program, semester and level participation to the variables box. Click OK. The data of descriptive statistic will be generated at the output. Click Analyze, click Descriptive Statistics and click Descriptives. Transfer age, gender, faculty, program, semester and level participation to the variables box. Click OK. The data of descriptive statistic will be generated at the output. Click Analyze, click Descriptive Statistics and click Descriptive. Transfer total score CSA, total score SSA and total score SCA to the variables box. Click OK and the data will be generated at the output.
For the test normality, so first we're gonna go to Analyze and then Descriptive Statistic and Explore. Okay, and then go take all the three scores which are total score CSA, total score SSA and total score SCA into dependent list and gender into factor list. Okay, go to plots and then make sure tick histogram and normality plot with test and then continue. and then you press OK. Okay, the data will appear in the output. As you can see the result of test normality, we use Kolmogorov. As you can see, total score CSA and SSA, the significant value is more than 0.05, which is the distribution is normal, and we're gonna use parametric test. However, total score SCA female score significant value less than 0.05. So the distribution is non-normal. So we're gonna use non-parametric test.
Independent t-test will be used for the data variable that is normally distributed, which is cognitive and somatic state anxiety. First, we click Analyze, then we click Compare Mean, select Independent Sample t-test. Next, we will pick total score CSA as well as total score SSA. Grouping, we will choose gender variable. Define the groups, click Continue and click OK. The result will be distributed in the output. As you can see, total score CSA is above p-value 0.05, which means the data is not significant, therefore we accept null hypothesis. However, for total score SSA, the p-value is below 0.05. So, the data is significant, therefore we reject null hypothesis. We will be using Mann-Whitney test for the data variable that is not normally distributed, which is self-confidence. First, we go to Analyze, then select Non-Parametric Test, click on Legacy Dialogs, and select two independent samples. Next, we input total score SCA, and we put gender as the grouping variable. Define the groups, 1 for male, 2 for female. Click Continue and press OK. The result is shown in the output. As you can see, the significant two-tail is above 0.05 p-value, which means the data is not significant. Therefore, we reject null hypothesis.